Kasian Beauty, a half Korean, half Caucasian chick who is obsessed with skincare, hair, makeup, and health. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this very cute braided bun. All you need are a few hair elastics and about 5 minutes of your time. Now let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a very high ponytail. So you want to take a band that you have and smooth out your hair and create a very high ponytail. Okay, so after you have a very high top ponytail, you're going to want to take your hair in 3 sections and just braid it. So I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections. And you want to make sure that each section is even. And you want to create a very tight braid. So try to make it as tight as you can. I'm going to take the 3 pieces and I'm going to start braiding my hair. Okay, so once you get to the bottom and it's fully braided, just take an elastic band and wrap it around to make sure that the braid stays. You just want to leave a little bit of hair at the bottom to the point where you cannot braid anymore. So now you kind of have a braided ponytail. And then I'm just going to pull the top up like this. And don't worry if it kind of looks funny in the front here, because you can always pin these down with bobby pins. So far it looks like this. Now I want to kind of give you a bonus look before we do the braided bun. So what you can also do is create like a very high braid that's very cute. So you can just take a bobby pin and you can pin the braid so you kind of like push it up and then braid it. So you kind of have a really high braid. It's just another cute look you can do with a ponytail is create this braid. And sometimes I like to take a larger bobby pin when I do this because there's more hair here. So what you can do is pull this up at the top here. So you have this kind of high braid here, and then from the side, it kind of looks like this. So you kind of have a very cute high braid. You might have to play with a little bit, pull a little bit up so it looks even. But from the front, it kind of looks like this. And then from the side, and from a little bit farther away. So this is the bonus look. So now let's take the bobby pins out and continue with our braided bun. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hold this top piece down and you're gonna wrap it around. And so you see, and then you're gonna take the final piece and you're just gonna pin it with the bobby pin. And then you're gonna pin the pieces around it down so that it stays. And then if there are any like pieces that you're not happy with that are kind of sticking out when you pulled your hair back, you can always bobby pin those as well. You might need to play around with the bun a little bit to get it exactly the way that you like it. And again, always just use a few bobby pins and pin it down. And so there you have it, a very cute braided bun. That's quick and easy. That gives you a very kind of classy look for when you're going out, or you can wear it to the dance studio. And this is the final look. If you found any of this content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or if you'd like to see some other type of video, please leave it in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.